Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2008 for 2 marks. Basically this question is asked on the basis of infinitely long concentric cylinder. For this we have to find shape factor. Let us understand the question. The question is, a hollow closure is formed between two infinitely long concentric cylinders of radii 1 meter and 2 meter respectively. Now here outer cylinder is given surface 2, inner cylinder is given surface 1, therefore radii are given. Here I can say the smaller radii is r1 1 meter, larger radii is r2 2 meter, and it is a cylindrical surface, therefore it will be having length like this. It will be having length like this, right? Then radiative heat exchange takes place between the inner surface of the larger cylinder, between the inner surface of the outer cylinder and outer surface of the smaller cylinder, that is outer surface of the inner cylinder. The radiating surface are diffuse and the medium in the enclosure is non-participating, means there is no convection and conduction inside this here. As they have mentioned, the radiating surface are diffuse and the medium in the enclosure is non-participating. The medium is nothing but whenever there is a medium, there is a conduction or convection, and in vacuum there is a radiation in large form. Radiation can take place in solids, liquids, gases as well as in vacuum, but the radiation is maximum in vacuum. Means there is no medium, means there is no conduction and convection, there is only radiation. Then the fraction of thermal radiation leaving the larger surface and striking itself is, leaving the larger surface, that is surface 2, and striking back to itself is, means they are asking view factor or shape factor F22. This is a question, right? Now my dear students, let us derive the expression. Now for this inner surface, the F11 will be 0, that already we have seen in theory lectures. Therefore, as per shape factor addition law, F11 plus F12 is equal to 1. Therefore, we can say F12. The fraction of radiation leaving from 1 and falling on 2, F12 is equal to 1. Sorry, here it is equal to 1, as F11 is 0. Right. Now, let us use the reciprocal theorem. As per reciprocal theorem, area 1 F122 is equal to area 2 F221. Right. And as it is cylindrical surface, now here the outer surface area of the inside cylinder and inner surface area of the outside cylinder are in contact for the radiation heat exchange. Therefore, here areas are surface area. Therefore, area 1 is pi d1L into F122 is 1 is equal to area 2 is pi d2L into F221. We have to calculate, right? Therefore, here pi length will get cancelled. Therefore, F221 will be equal to d1 divided by d2 can be written as r1 divided by r2 also, right? Again, use the addition rule of view factors. Therefore, F221 plus F222, the summation of all shape factors is equal to 1. Therefore, this F222 is equal to 1 minus F221, which is equal to 1 minus r1 divided by r2. And in examination, from this formula you have to solve this question, right? Therefore, this F222 is equal to 1 minus r1 is 1, r1 is 1, r2 is 2, 1 minus 1 upon 2, therefore is equal to 0.5. So my dear students, for this question answer B will be the correct choice. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see one more numerical on this topic which was asked in previous year GATE examination.